Uh, Eighth one, write a Python program that accepts a string and calculates the number of digits and letters. That means, suppose if you enter some text from the keyboard like this, so like Python 123. Okay, so like Python 123. So we have to calculate how many digits are there, how many letters are there. Okay, and we have to get that number. Okay, output. So it's this program is same like this program, even and odd numbers. Okay, so even and odd numbers like here digits and letters here. Okay, same like same program. So we'll see. First, we have to accept string from the keyboard, input, enter a string. Okay, by a string we create it. Okay, take digits equal to 0, initialize first digits equal to 0, letters equal to 0, digits equal to 0, letters equal to 0, programming. Take all underscore digits, list here, okay, equal to list here, take 1, comma, 2, comma, string, we take a string here, okay, first, 4, comma, 5, comma, 6, comma, 7, comma, 8, comma, because 9, okay, and also 0 also you take it, 0, okay. So this take it here. Suppose if for loop we take it for uh, s in string, okay, and because the enter in string for s in string, if take s in operator, okay, if s in all underscore digits, here all underscore digits, because if string the string bit the string was what some letters will be there, if letter is in between all the digits, increment here digits equal to digits plus 1, okay, else letters equal to letters plus 1, simple program, okay, and output print number of digits, comma, digits here, and number of letters here, okay? Print how many number of letters, number of letters, letters here, okay, simple thing. Right, enter output, enter a string here. I'm entering Python 1, 2, 3. See, number of digits is 0, number of letters are 0. So number of digits is 3, digits 3 again, but number of letters are 0 here. Why letters are 0? So here letter I am writing letters here, okay? Letters. Okay. Execute again. Enter a string Python 1, 2, 3. How many letters and how many digits are there? So digits are 3, letters are 6, okay? That's I hope you understand. Same like even in odd numbers only. Just we have to write list here because we are writing this string because to compare it will be easy. Present string, if loop and else loop and number of digits and number of letters. Okay, simple thing.